Good morning, my dear students. In today's video, we will do email writing and notice writing. Let us see what is a notice. Notices are a means of formal communication targeted at a particular person or a group of persons. It is like a news item informing such person or persons of some important event. This can be an invitation to a meeting, an announcement of any event, to issue certain instructions, make appeals, etc. It is generally written and then displayed at a public place where it is accessible to all. It can be pasted on notice boards. So now let us see that in notice writing how is the allotment of marks done. First we have the title, the creative title, which should be only in English. It is of 1 mark. Name of the event, 1 mark. Date, half mark. Time, half mark. Venue, half mark plus half mark. It means half mark for the smaller place and half mark for the larger place. Invite participation or to whom to contact, it carries 1 mark. Now let us observe a sample notice. You are the activity head of your club. Write a notice for the members of the care club of your school about the impending visit to an orphanage in your city. Remind them to carry the food and stationery items as well as guitars for a musical evening with the inmates of the orphanage. Now let us see here, we start our notice with the creative title, and the creative title which is given here is Spread Smiles. Now see, the creative title you need to give in block letters. The next is the name of the event. The name of the event is Visit to the Orphanage. Then you will leave a line and then you will write the date. The date you will write in the same format as you write in formal letters. So the date here is 4th October 2020. Next is the time given. The time is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. The venue is Activity Hall, Holy Child Orphanage. Now see, Activity Hall is the smaller place and Holy Child Orphanage is the bigger place. So if you write Holy Child Orphanage Activity Hall, this will be incorrect. Then you will leave a line and you will write your notice. All the members of the care club are hereby informed that a visit to the orphanage has been arranged as a part of our annual Share and Care program. Students who wish to donate food and stationery items can give their items to Mr. Ranjit by 1st October 2020. Carry a few musical instruments for a musical evening with the inmates of the orphanage. What is an email? Email is also known as electronic mail, which is a method of exchanging digital messages across internet or other computer networks. It is the quickest way to communicate in writing. It is also the most common form of official communication. So it has to be formal. Now let us observe the breakup of marks in email writing. First comes the recipient address. Now the recipient address carries half mark. Next is the subject. Subject carries half mark. Salutation, half mark. Opening line, half mark. Body, content or expression carries 2 marks. Closing line, half mark. And subscription, that is yours faithfully, it carries half mark. Let us read the sample email. Write an email to the manager of the orphanage thanking him or her for an opportunity to visit the orphanage and asking for permission to bring food and stationery items that the club has collected and wish to donate. Also informing him or her of the musical evening planned for the inmates and staff of the orphanage. Now let us see how we will write this sample email. The first comes the recipient's address. So we have written here managerholychild@gmail.com. Next is the subject. Subject is visit to the orphanage. Then you will leave a line and you will write the salutation. Salutation you will write in the same way as you write in the formal letters. So that is, here it is sir. Then the opening line of the email. On behalf of the school principal, I take this opportunity to thank you for giving permission to the members of Care Club of our school to visit Holy Child Orphanage. A team of 10 students and 2 teachers will visit on the 4th of October 2020 at the activity hall of your orphanage. The time of visit is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. The members of our club will distribute food and stationery items to the children. A musical program will also be organized for the inmates and staff. Now comes the closing line, looking forward to your kind cooperation. Then comes thanking you. You will leave a line and then you will write the subscription. The subscription here is yours faithfully. And after that you will write your full name. That means you will also write your surname. Now for writing an email, we need to remember certain points. An email is no excuse for shoddy expressions, short forms or SMS vocabulary. Rules for punctuation is to be maintained. We know that we send an email for official or for formal communication, so the tone and language must be formal. All communication must follow the standard norms of etiquettes. The message must be conveyed using clear and simple language. Students, here is a worksheet for you. There are 2 questions here. The first one is a notice and the second one is an email. You need to do both these questions in your FAIR English language notebook. Thank you, my dear students. Stay safe, stay blessed and keep practicing.